Here we go again. Anyways, this time I got an 09 Mini Cooper S, and due to the fact that I didn't really want to spend a lot of money and I wanted to try it out, I ended up buying this cheap eBay intercooler turbo, right? Now, one things I don't like about it that I think that they could improve, it's the welds. I think the welds look a little bit fun. I mean, it looks good. I mean, I'm not a welder, so I don't really know, right? But they look good, but it just looks crappy. I think they should have just sanded this down, bring the price up to 150 bucks or something, because it was $100. Now, these brackets don't fit. Brackets there, that's what the original OEM intercooler fit connects to, and that's the gap between the screw. So that's not screwed in. This pipe, which goes into the engine, I think they should have moved this 1/4 inch out, and this in outlet, they should have made it maybe a 1/4 inch longer. So it should have been 1/4 inch out, wider, and then this inlet out, because it's a pain in the ass for this bracket or a brace clamp, because that's the bottom of it. That's where the clamp is. You could sort of get it from the back with a screwdriver, pain in the ass. So that's an improvement. 1/4 inch this way, make this a 1/4 inch, and make it long 1/4 inch. Now that is supposed to. Now this thing's pretty solid, but it feels pretty solid. But it's just because the hose and the clamps are holding it in. Now we move down to this side, which is the driver's side. Same thing. The bracket here is bolt up here. You can't open this up anymore because it's hitting something and it doesn't go up. Now that's horrible. They put a clamp, put a bolt up there, but it's too high. They should have brought it down, and it's going here in the bottom. They could improve that. Now this clamp is also a pain in the ass because it's the same thing. The hose, they should have brought this side arranged this way, so they should make this 1/2 inch bigger, mostly. And then this inlet is actually pretty big. It goes pretty far, but it's too close to that, so it hits this brace here on the inside part of it. It's a pain in the ass to, I mean, it takes a little bit of work to get that in, but once again, no mounting, because this does not add up. Now once again, it's $100, right? People gonna be like, nigga, you pay $100. How can you be complaining about that? And you're right. You can't complain because you get what you pay for, right? Totally correct. But how's a company going to establish themselves as a manufacturer of anything, especially if you want to make it to the big leagues, you know, like Forge, was it AEM, HKA, Greedy or Grady or whatever you call that. When you do things like this, now I'm not an expert, but come on, you should at least try the best you can to make it to fit good as possible. You know what I mean? And listen, they could have brought the price up to like 180 and fix this issues. Maybe they don't have them, they didn't have a Mini Cooper and they just trying to copy it by like dimensions they saw online or something. But come on, man, you should at least buy a real one, or from a different company that just copy that to get the specs right. That's what all the Chinese people do. So anyways, it looks good. We'll see how it works, but what can I say? Would I recommend it? Yeah, I would, if because I'm gonna have to manufacture or build some little brackets so I can bolt it down. So I would because of that. Other than that, no. Pay the $300-400 for the more expensive ones and get the direct fit, and they're probably much easier to install. So that's what it is.